Let's learn short O, reading and exercises. Let's read. O, t, pot, 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 pot. Hot, 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 hot. Rat, 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 rat. Hog, 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 hog. Log, 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 log. Mop, 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 mop. Cup, 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 cup. Top, 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 top. Rub, 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 rub. Cob, cob, cub, cub, cub. Now, children, do these exercises. What's this called? Check the correct answer. Your answer is pot, pot. What's this called? Check the correct answer. The answer is hot, hot. What's this called? Choose your answer. The answer is log, log. What's this called? Check your answer. The answer is hog, hog. What's this called? Check your answer. Your answer is cup, cup. What's this called? Your answer is map, map. What's this called? The answer is cob, cob. Well done, children.